Hi there, students. If you take to something, what does that mean? It means you begin to like it. You could take to somebody immediately. I started chatting to this guy in the pub and I took to him absolutely right from the beginning. Okay, to take to something. I began collecting stamps and I took to it instantly. He took to his new job. He instantly liked it and he was good at it. He took to the new routine very easily. Yeah. The child took to the babysitter right away. Okay, so to take to someone or to take to something, to like someone or like something. So kids take to him right away. You could take to something, meaning you begin to do it as a regular habit. So he took to coming home later and later. He took to drink, to alcohol. He took to listening to audio books. He took to taking long walks in the countryside. Okay, so to begin to do something regularly as a habit. I guess to flee to run away to. So when they discovered that the police were looking for them, they took to their heels. When the cat appeared, the birds took to the air. They began to go into the air. They began to use the air. Okay, so to take to begin to use, to go to a place. He took to the airwaves. He took to the radio. To go to a place. People took to the streets in protest. Yeah, to go or escape to a place. Yeah, people took to the streets to demand change. Okay, so to take to someone, to start liking immediately. The dogs took to each other immediately. Yeah, he took to it like a duck to water. Yeah, this is a common idiom. So he took to drinking whiskey. Yeah, to start doing something, to do it habitually. To take to a place. The refugees took to the hills, go somewhere because you're in danger, you're seeking safety. Yeah? To take to someone, to like them, to take to something, to start doing it habitually. To take to the air, to start flying. Okay, so he took to coming home later and later, a habit. The first time she did it, she really took to it. She enjoyed doing it. Also, you can take something to be. So I took you to be your brother. Yeah, I took you to be happy about this. Yeah, so I understood it. I considered. I assumed. I take it. I take this to be the way in. I take this to be the way of doing this. So to assume something. Okay. So I took this to be the only reasonable solution to the problem. Okay. So to take to something. Yeah. To adapt easily. He took to swimming. Yeah, he'd never done it before, but he took to it very quickly. The birds took to the air, to run away to stay safe from the cat. He took to taking long walks by himself to begin as a habit, to begin as something that you normally do. I took to these people immediately. I was attracted to them. I really liked them. They were really nice. I take this to be the bill for the work you did. I assume this is. I understand this is. Okay, now formality. So he took to it like he took to a duck takes to water. 4.5. Use informality. Use informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. He took to his heels. The birds took to the air. 4.5 informality. He took to taking long walks in the countryside. 4.5 informality again. I took to this person immediately. 4 informality. I take this to be the way you want it done. I think maybe 4.5 informality again. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To take 2.